Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify account changes with Intuit, complete guide step by step. To verify account changes with Intuit, begin by opening your web browser. Visit the Intuit website and log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings or Account Management section. Look for the option labeled Account Changes or Recent Activity. Click on that option to view any changes made to your account. If you see changes you do not recognize, immediately select the option to report them. You will typically find a link or button for reporting suspicious activity. Follow the prompts provided to submit your report. For verified changes, you may need to confirm your identity. Look for an option to verify changes via email or SMS. Select your preferred verification method and follow the instructions provided. Check your email or SMS for a verification code, and enter it as prompted. If you do not receive a code, look for an option to resend it. Once verified, review the changes to ensure everything is correct. If you need to revert any changes, locate the option for account restoration. Follow the steps provided to undo any unwanted modifications. Always remember to log out of your account after completing your verification process. For future security, consider enabling two-factor authentication if it's not already active. Regularly monitor your account for any unusual activity to maintain security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.